Good news! May available tayong Bank Foreclosed Anica inner lot dito sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. At no bidding pa. At ang isa pang bonus, ang likod ng unit na ito ay mismong basketball court area. Perfect para sa families na active ang lifestyle. Property details, lot area 60 square meter, floor area 50 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath plus powder room, 1 car garage, as is where is. Directly at the back is the basketball court, prime and desirable location. Selling price 2,345,000. 20% down payment equals 469,000. 80% bank home loan 1,876,000. Note, bank fees and transfer of title are not yet included. Mode of payment, PDC, MC, cash or bank home loan. Foreclosed units na may prime location like this are very rare. No bidding pa, tapos ang likod mo basketball court. Kaya once may kasabay ka magpasa ng requirements, pwede kang maunahan. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now to schedule your viewing. This is Jin Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!